Hindi po ba nakakasama ang protein sa kidney kapag naglo-low carb? Kung wala pang lamat ang inyong kidneys, it should not be a problem. Ngayon, kung meron na po, paano natin malalaman kung may lamat na yung kidneys, yung creatinine nyo abnormal, yung ACR nyo abnormal, or there is protein in your urine? Ano gagawin doon? You have to know the stage of kidney disease. Paano, Doc, malalaman? Simple lang. Pakitingnan lang, i-type ninyo sa YouTube, Dr. Iris CKD. Chronic kidney disease. I-determine niyo kung anong stage yung inyong kidney disease. Doon niyo malalaman kung merong adjustment kayong gagawin doon sa protina na dapat yung intake. It's different for like say stage 1, stage 2, stage 3A, stage 3B, stage 4, stage 5. Iba-iba yan. And so pag alam na ninyo kung anong stage kayo, that will help you to determine kung kayo ay maapektuhan ng protina na yon. But if you have normal kidney function, it should not be a problem. Hindi magiging abnormal yung inyong kidneys dahil lamang kayo ay nag-low carb kung dati itong normal. What will push your kidneys to become abnormal are lifestyle-related diseases. Yan yung pinakamalaking cause sa panahon ngayon, which is usually ito yung mga high blood pressure, ito yung mga diabetes, yan po yung mga pinaka-common causes of kidney disease these days.